What is wind power? Wind power describes the process by which the wind is used to generate mechanical power or electricity. Wind turbines convert the kinetic energy in the wind into mechanical power. Wind is a form of solar energy caused by a combination of three concurrent events. 1. The sun unevenly heating the atmosphere. 2. Irregularities of the Earth's surface. 3. The rotation of the Earth. A wind turbine turns wind energy into electricity using the aerodynamic force from the rotor blades. When wind flows across the blade, the air pressure on one side of the blade decreases. The difference in air pressure across the two sides of the blade creates both lift and drag. The force of the lift is stronger than the drag, and this causes the rotor to spin. The rotor connects to the generator. This translation of aerodynamic force to rotation of a generator creates electricity. This translation of aerodynamic force to rotation of a generator creates electricity. Advantages: lacks pollution, cost-effective, space-efficient, industrial and domestic machinery, low operational costs, prices are decreasing. Disadvantages: noises and aesthetics, impact on local wildlife, wind fluctuation.